Updates with the 2ZZ. Getting ready to put on my Moroso oil pan. Back at it again. We're right here again. So alright. Here's what I did so far. I drained all the oil out. So we're just gonna do it in phases because I don't really have all the time in the world. So I drained the oil on tighten, and then tomorrow get cleaned up silicone and hopefully bolted right back up. Alright, so we'll get the pan out. My bolts on the ground, messy. So this is what I could do. This is what I did. The razor blade. I don't know if it's good enough, but it's the best I can do right now. Clean up the gasket area. So I clean up the. They was talking about some lower part. I don't know what that means. I'd have to bend like 2 of these back. Alright. Here's the pan. I'll bolt it up. Hopefully I have no oil leaks whatsoever. Hopefully. That was hectic.